Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 554 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this palette right here. This is the Santee. You would think after trying like 100 products from this brand, I would know how to pronounce it, but I still don't. So let me know in the comments down below if you know how to pronounce this brand. But anyways, this is the Madly Matte eyeshadow palette that I got in the version number 3 from Shopmissa. So since I got this from Shopmissa, it was only $1 and it's cruelty free. And I was really just drawn to this because of the colors. I don't have any palettes that look like this, and I really wanted to try out more eyeshadows from the brand Santee because I recently tried out this palette right here. This is the Shadow Lover palette that I got from Shopmissa as well, and I love it. This is such a great palette, such great formula, pigment, blendability. It's just amazing, and it's only $1. It's actually mind-blowing. But so if you want to see my review on this palette, I will link that down below. But so when I did my recent Shopmissa haul, I tried to pick up more palettes from the brand Santee. And this is one of them. But this also has pretty high ratings on the Shopmissa website, so I'm very excited to be trying this out. Also, this is cute packaging because it has these little rhinestones on it. They seem a little bit random, but I like it. Okay. And also, it's funny that you get such similar shades of purple. I mean, they are different enough. They have different kind of tones to them, but I almost wish they had done like a completely different color, maybe like a blue or a teal green. But so, that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. Ooh. Wow. Okay, let me just... These feel really nice and soft. Like I'm really liking the texture of them. Oh, weird. This light purple here is not as soft as the other ones. It's also not coming off quite as pigmented. Weird. Whoa. Oh my gosh, okay. That is actually so pigmented and bright. Whoa. My gosh, these are seriously neon. Holy moly. They're like glowing with how bright they are. Whoa, I would love a neon pink shade. Yeah, just that one purple shade, the lightest purple shade. Like, look at that. It doesn't have the pigment of those other ones, but wow. I mean, they're a little bit splotchy, especially on camera. They're looking pretty splotchy, but they're not quite as splotchy when I'm looking at them in person. They look so bright, so beautifully pigmented, and they are matte finish, but they still kind of have maybe just that like neon shine to them. They don't look like a dull, chalky matte at all. Wow. Oh my gosh, okay. I am so excited to play with these, except for that one purple shade. That one purple shade just like did not even show up at all. It's this one here. Try it. So weird. Why did this one not get the same formula as the other products? I mean, it barely shows up. That's so strange. Okay, so now before I apply these to my eyes, I'm definitely going to prime my eyelids because I want to make sure that my eyelids do not get stained from these colors. And I always need to prime my eyelids, like I always say, because I have a lot of creases in my eyelids. And this way, I'm giving these shadows a fair chance at performing well on my eyelids. All right, well, we know this is going to be a very bold, colorful look. There's not even a shade I feel like that would be good for an all over lid shade. I could go in with that light purple all over my eyelid, but I don't even want to because I don't want to mess up the neon. So I'm just going to start out with, there's not even a really good crease shade either. You know what? I'm just going to play with some color. I'm going to take this purple shade and, ooh, there's some kickback, and pop that into the outer corner. Of course, if I was using these shadows for like a normal makeup look, I would do a crease shade, probably an all over lid shade from a different palette. But today I want to try out just this palette to see what I can get. Wow, I'm using this color right here, and it is barely showing up on my eye when applied with the brush. There's also so much kickback. Wow, I'm surprised by the lack of pigment that I'm getting from applying it with the brush. Okay, I'm gonna try the next color. I'm gonna take the pink and apply that towards the center of my eye, and I'm gonna apply that with my finger. Hopefully that shows up better. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. It's kind of messy. It's all over my eyelashes, but I actually kind of like the effect of that pink on my eyelashes. It actually looks kind of cool. Wow. I really think that these need to be applied with the finger. And honestly, it's easier to apply it with the finger anyways. This is one of the most beautiful shades of pink for an eyeshadow I think I've ever seen. Actually, I think this is the most beautiful shade of pink eyeshadow I've ever worn. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. And this is a $1 palette. Like, this pink is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that purple shade that I put in the outer corner, and I'm going to apply it with my finger because hopefully that gets the pigment to show. Okay, yes. Better, definitely a lot better when applied with my finger. It's so messy. Definitely going to need to clean this up with a makeup wipe afterwards. That is easy enough to do. Do people even really wear tie-dye shirts anymore? I wear mine all the time, but you know, this is the perfect eyeshadow look to go with my tie-dye shirt. I'm just kind of blending it with my finger. I want the crease shade to stay kind of separated by color to kind of have that ombre effect. Okay, there we go. Basically, this is going to be an eyeshadow look completely applied with my finger. So now I'm going to add that neon yellow, that neon green, whatever you want to call it, into the inner corner. Whoa. Wow. I'm so impressed that this color is so pigmented and bright. This has got to be a difficult shade to formulate, and they did a perfect job. And now just kind of blending the colors together, blending out into the crease. But this is actually so easy to do with my finger. The mess though, okay. I am really happy with this fun, colorful look from a $1 palette. But I feel like I did that so quickly. I'm just touching up the pink right now because I feel like that got a little bit lost. I feel like I have like makeup artist skills right now. Okay, look at these eyes. That looks beautiful. They're so bright. They are ombre, they blend together so nicely. I didn't even think that I could create an eyeshadow look like this that I am so excited by. I feel like I watch YouTube videos of people making looks like this and I'm always like, oh my gosh, that looks so beautiful. I would love to do that, but I don't know if I can. But you just saw it happen and I did that so easily, all with my finger and with a $1 palette. I am so excited. I need to wear this makeup look out. I don't even want to take this off right now. That's how excited I am by this look. Oh my gosh, so cool. So I have my birthday coming up next week and you know, maybe this will be a birthday party look for me. I'm so excited to have this palette in my collection now. This does come in at least 4 different kind of color shade variations, but now I want to pick up all of them. I'm seriously so blown away by the Santee eyeshadows. Both of these palettes are so great in my opinion, and I just need to try out all of them. I'm so excited by these. So let me know if you've tried out any Santee eyeshadow palettes and what your experience has been with them. And if you have any recommendations for other ones that I should pick up. And let me know also where you find Santee. I think I've only ever found it online, but I'd love to know other places that I can buy it because I am such a fan of this brand. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.